Hi all, as Christmas approaches, this year's Principal CEO message falls to me as I cover for Mark until we welcome him back with open arms in the new year. As we look back on 2022, in all aspects of our lives, we have memories to reflect upon. As we come out of the pandemic and return to normality, we were delighted to welcome back students and staff as face-to-face teaching resumed. The class of 22 were the first to sit exams since the pandemic, and despite the challenges faced over the last 2 years, they showed an impressive resilience to achieve an overall pass rate of almost 99%. A-star to B grades exceeded those of 2019, with almost 60% of students achieving those grades. Almost a third of students achieved A-star to A and 83% A-star to C grades. Students sitting at extended national diploma certificates also made the headlines, with 63 students achieving triple distinction grades and 25 students achieving the highest possible grade profile of triple distinction star. We're also very proud of our higher education provision. Our students recently awarded us an overall satisfaction score of 90% in the National Student Survey, and we achieved the highest possible judgment from the Quality Assurance Agency for Higher Education. The college was recognised for its achievements in several other areas, including student support and the use of digital technology, and we've been awarded the Silver Armed Forces Covenant Employer Recognition Scheme status. We were also shortlisted for the prestigious CIPD Wales Awards. Over the past year, many of our students have won awards and international honours for sport, cultural activities, skills and academic ability, and many of our staff have also achieved accolades, including staff at Lilliput Day Nursery, who've been recognised for their consistently high standard of provision and their valuable contribution throughout the pandemic. It's not always about winning awards though, it's also about supporting the people and the communities which we all serve. As well as our full-time provision, we offer part-time courses, many of which are free. We want education to be available to everyone and be able to offer the skills that businesses demand. That's why we're actively engaging with employers across Neath, Talbot and Powys and beyond with our extensive apprenticeship provision. It goes without saying that we're immensely proud of the success of the college, and we know it's down to the hard work and dedication of our staff and students. We're also extremely grateful for the support from our partners and the business community at large, which help us build a stronger future together. So, on behalf of our Corporation Board, the Chair, and from all of us at the NPTC Group of Colleges, we'd like to wish you all a very happy and healthy Christmas, as we all very much look forward to 2023. Nadolig pawb.